Breaking news just coming in. Complete lockdown in Tamil Nadu from 10th May to 24th May for 14 days. The government says that this is due to unavoidable circumstances. Restaurants will have only takeaway services. Only essential services are going to work. All others are going to be from work from home. This is coming in as Tamil Nadu crosses 25,000 cases for the first time. So lockdown right there being announced in Tamil Nadu. Akshay Nath breaking the story for the very latest details. Akshay, walk our viewers through the nuances of what the restrictions are in this particular lockdown, what is allowed, what is not.
Seti, we had seen that M.K. Stalin, the new Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, had a meeting with the district secretaries as well as health officials. And after the long meeting that was there last evening, today morning we have been given a notice saying that from the 10th of May till the 24th of May, there will be complete lockdown in the state of Tamil Nadu. This is to ensure that we fight against COVID-19. The spread has been increasing. Over 20,000 cases have been registered on a daily basis in Tamil Nadu for the last 1 week. And to now ensure the safety and security of people, this has been brought in. And as far as the guidelines goes, during this complete lockdown, only ration shops, vegetable shops, essential shops, meat shops, they will be open till 12 p.m. All other shops will continue to remain closed. Already there has been a partial lockdown in the state of Tamil Nadu. Apart from this, we're being told that all e-commerce is, which is like the Swiggy and Zomato, all these organizations can be functioning till 12 p.m. and all the restaurants will only have takeaway. And apart from this, for travel purposes, there is again going to be stringent rules and regulations. You have to have registration for travel. And as far as cabs, auto rickshaws are concerned, only for emergency purposes or for death or weddings can these be used. And now coming back to the most important point, Sheti, we need to remember the number of cases are surging in the state of Tamil Nadu. And because this complete lockdown has been announced today, the state government has decided that for Saturday and Sunday, that is 8th and 9th of May, all shops will remain open from 6 a.m. till 9 p.m. This will ensure that people can go and buy the essentials without crowding in marketplaces. And as far as, the restrictions are concerned, we're being told that this is all being implemented to ensure the safety of people. Yesterday, M.K. Stalin had even announced rupees 2,000 for all the RISE ration card holders, which will be available from this month onwards. So 2,000 this month, another 2,000 next month is what he has promised. So that will also address like a mini Nyaya scheme for all those people in the state of Tamil Nadu. Cheti.
Yes, that's right. Thank you, Akshay, for getting us those details right.